We have little kittens, and my daughter wanted to give them baths. So I looked online on Amazon and found this Arm& Hammer Tearless Kitten Shampoo. I didn't know Arm& Hammer actually made a kitten shampoo, but I found this, and she's going to try it and see how it is. Arm& Hammer is an old brand. It's been around for a long time, and I feel that it'll probably be a good product. You might want to check it out for yourself and see how you like it. This is Jeff for Jeff's Assistant Channel. Until next time, bye for now.